Hello there and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'll be starting a new training series in computer, especially for our viewers and subscribers who want to go into social media marketing but do not have relevant computer skills. In this dispensation, apart from communication skill, one very important skill we need to be able to survive in this generation is computer skill. Computer skill is one skill that you need to be able to move yourself from the old school to the new school. Now, the illiterate of the previous generation are those that cannot read and write, but the illiterate of this generation are those that are not computer literate. Computer has become a very essential part of our lives. In this training series, we're going to be dealing with the basics of computer skills, which is Microsoft Office for creating documents, CorelDRAW for basic graphic design, and Photoshop for more advanced design. And that is what basically we'll be dealing with in this training series. And of course, that is what you need to keep yourself relevant in the digital economy. But before then, this is Sunshine Resources, and we pride ourselves in teaching skill and skill acquisition capable of turning people into entrepreneurs. We have dozens and dozens of videos on our YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. I have dropped link to some of our resources in the description box below this video. I'm going to kickstart this training with one application which is very important and very fundamental to the evolution of computer software, which is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a conglomerate of applications founded by Bill Gates. These are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Picture Manager, Microsoft PowerPoint. These are the four major ones we will go through one by one in this course. Now, if you have a computer that does not have Microsoft Office installed in it, you can go to a computer shop and get a CD of Microsoft Office and install it in your computer. It's quite easy to do. Just insert the CD into the CD-ROM of your PC and just follow the prompt. Alright, now as you can see, I am on Microsoft Word environment, and this is a typical workspace you're seeing on the screen right now. I will be introducing you to some of the tools one by one. Okay, now let's start with the title bar. As you can see at the top here, by default you can see that Microsoft Word has given a title to my document 1. As you can see, document 1, Microsoft Word document 1. Now I'm going to show you how to customize the name of your document. In other words, how to name your document. Now, this is what you're going to do. On your keyboard, you're going to press Ctrl S, right? Press Ctrl S. And when you do that, it is going to bring up a pop-up. As you can see now on the screen, there's a pop-up. Okay, this pop-up gives you an opportunity to type the name of your document. As you can see, by default is written document 2. Okay, now I'm going to call my document computer tutorial, computer tutorials. Let me call it tutorial 4, computer tutorial 4. And once I type in the name, I'm going to click on save. Okay, as soon as I do that, as you can see, it is now computer tutorial 4. That is the name of my document. So if you are giving your document a name, on the keyboard you press Ctrl S, then it's going to give you a pop-up, and then you type the name of your document, and then you click on save, and your document will be customized to the name you've given to your document. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to show you the menu bar. As you can see, the menu bar consists of the file, the home, the insert, the page layout, references, mailing, and view. Each of these commands in the menu bar consists of other sub command. As we proceed, you will see some of them. Now let me introduce you to some formatting tools. Formatting here means that you want to bring in a text and do some alteration, do some modification, do some changes to the text to your taste, to how you want the text to be. So let me bring in a text onto the workspace now. My name is John. Okay, I've just typed some text onto the workspace now. My name is John, right? My name is John, right? So I'm going to introduce you now to some formatting tools. As you can see, this text on the workspace is very tiny, right? And that's because the font size is 11. The font size for this text is 11, very tiny size. What if I want to make the font size to be bigger than this? I want it to be bigger than this. Now, to start formatting text like this, what you do is to first highlight the text. So how do you highlight the text? You bring your cursor here, right? And then you hold down the right key of your mouse and you drag it this way. When you drag it to the right, then the whole text is selected. Now it means that I can perform any operation on this text. Now I want to change the font size of my text, so I go to this arrow here, click on it, and you will see an array of number. Then I select which font size I want. Okay, you can see the bigger the number, the bigger the font size. So let me leave it at 14. 14, I've selected 14 font size, which is a normal font size. Okay, now how about the font type itself? This text you are seeing on the screen right now is a font type. What if I want to change the font type? The name of this font, as you can see here, is Calibri Body, the Calibri Body. What if I want to change the font type? Just like I said before, I'm going to highlight it, and then I will take my cursor to this arrow here, and then you have a whole lot of fonts, different types of fonts. I can select any one I want. Look at them. I can select any one I want. All right, let me leave it. Let me pick this one. My name is John. You can see this is a type of font, very slim font. Okay, that's how you change your font. Now let me show you how to copy and paste. Okay, now take for example, I want to type John somewhere. Now instead of me to type it with a keyboard, I can just copy it. Now let me show you how to do that. Just like I said, you have to select it this way or highlight it, and then on your keyboard press Ctrl C, right? That means copy. Then I'll direct my mouse to where I want the John to be, and then on the keyboard I'll press Ctrl V. As you can see, my John has appeared where I want it to be. That is copy and paste. I can repeat it again. I can repeat it again. Ctrl V, paste my text. Now what if I want John to completely leave this space? I don't want John on this space anymore. In that case, I'm going to cut it. Select it and press Ctrl X. Right? It has cut it. And then I go to where I want my John to be, and I'll press Ctrl V. It's going to paste the John where you want it to be. So that is to cut and paste. To cut means that you're going to remove the text completely from where it was to another place. To copy means you're going to copy it and paste it somewhere. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to bold a text. I want to bold the word name. So what I'm going to do is to select it, right, or highlight it, and then I'll take my cursor to this icon B and click on it. As you can see, the word name is bold, right? Now what if I want to underline John? First I'm going to highlight it, and then I'll go to this icon U and click on it. As you can see, the word John has been underlined. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about is keyboard command. The use of keyboard command in Microsoft Word is very important. This is because it's easier and faster to effect a command using a keyboard command. Now, sometimes when you want to perform an operation and then you start looking for the icons on the workspace, it takes a lot of time. But if you have the keyboard command, it's far more efficient and faster. There are some keyboard commands that you have to know offhand as someone working with Microsoft Word. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of them. Until then, thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/@sunshineresources.srtv. You can also follow us on our Facebook page at Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.